everybody, welcome to an energetic Tuesday because it is ruled by the power of Mars. Mars is aggression, but more than that, today the tip that I'm going to give you to do is see. People would say you're too angry, you're getting too agitated, or you're feeling bad about something because somebody did something or somebody said something against you. No, everybody knows one should not get angry. So that is not the tip that I'm going to give you today. I'm going to give you a tip which is exclusive. See, Mars is the significator of land. It is the karaka of property, meaning the landed property. So what people generally do in a country like especially India is they encroach upon land. What they do is, if you have a property, people make perimeter walls, but they also make a ramp. The ramp which they use to take their cars inside and outside out of their houses. And this ramp is basically built on government property, which is not a part of their purchased land. So what they do is they extend the ramp on the government road and they try to encroach land. And on the sideways, what they do is they put up a garden or they put barricades. They try to block the path of people. So when you encroach upon land, you try to take your a certain 5 feet, 10 feet, whatever land in your custody, you can say, or in your power. What you're doing is you're taking away the landed property of the government, which is sun. So not only you're afflicting your Mars, but you're also afflicting your sun. Why? Because sun rules that property. Then why should one not do this? Because once you do it, you are not only damaging your Mars but also sun. So sun is the government. Sun gives instruction to the police, which is Mars. So if you try to do this, if you are confiscating some land which does not belong to you, if you're trying to encroach upon somebody's property, sun, which is the government, is going to send the police, which is Mars, and a dispute against you can happen. Disputes or fights is ruled by Mars. So stop encroaching upon land. Make sure that you have a perimeter wall. Enjoy whatever you have, but make sure that if somebody's land is not yours, don't get into it. Don't try to make it yours by wrong means.